In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Drive to Canva. This is a great way to access and edit your files directly within Canva, making your design process smoother and more efficient. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, the first thing you need to do is access Google Drive. So grab your computer and open up your favorite web browser. Once you're there, head over to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in Google Drive, it's time to select a file you want to use with Canva. Whether it's a photo or another file type, take a moment to locate it within your drive. Look for the specific file you want to use and click on it to highlight it. Now let's open the Connect More Apps menu. To do this, right-click on the file you've selected. This will bring up a context menu. In this menu, you'll want to hover your mouse over the Open With option. A list will appear, and you should see an option called Connect More Apps. Click on that, and this action will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once you're in the Marketplace, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Here you need to search for Canva, so go ahead and type in Canva and press Enter. This should bring up the Canva app in the search results. Click on the Canva app to view its details. You'll see some information about the app, including what permissions it needs. When you're ready, hit the Install button. This step is crucial because it allows Canva to integrate with your Google Drive and access the files you'll be working with. After you click Install, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts will guide you through granting the necessary permissions for Canva to connect to your Google Drive files. Just read through them and give the permissions it asks for. This is important so that you can have full access to your files later. Now you're almost there. Once the installation is complete, you can return to your drive. You'll want to find a compatible file again, just like you did earlier. Right-click on that file, hover over the Open With option once more, and this time you should see Canva listed as one of the choices. Select Canva from this list. And just like that, your file will open directly in Canva, ready for you to edit. You can now use all of Canva's fantastic design tools, and your selected file will be right there, making your creative process seamless. That's it for today. Now you know how to link Google Drive to Canva and streamline your design workflow. Remember, with these steps, you can easily access your Drive files in Canva whenever you need them. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!